Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? How are we doing today? Who's already here? Let me know in the chat. Let me know who's here. Hello Matrix. What's up, Doc? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, how do we feel today? Whoa, what a market. What a market. Hello, yes sir. Hello. Hello, KCC. Unfortunately, I cannot say your name in Russian or Ukrainian. I don't know how to read it. I'm sorry, man. But hello, thanks for coming. Seems like bro got a haircut. Look sharp. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you're right. But just, it's not brushed, so we keep the hat on. We keep the hat on. Still the morning, you know. Didn't go outside. So didn't take care yet. So guys, how are you doing? I will update on the chart that we have on the screen right now, which is the total tree. I will show you something. Yesterday I dropped a video about the altcoins market cap, the total tree, as you can see right here. All right, I dropped that video and we are talking about the support level, but we shouldn't lose. And right now, then you see what's happening. We'll just let the video run so you can see the chart popping. All right, you see? Well, not great, but you see, yeah, we were on support and we lost the support today. So we're gonna be very careful. What I was saying in the video is losing this will open the gates for bear market levels for many altcoins. So be careful, don't FOMO into long, don't think it's a discount or whatever. Not really sure that dip is going to be bought back. Let's go spam CFT fam. Yeah, let's go, man. Thank you. How long have you been trading for? For a few years now. It's been 5 years. So welcome to the new people joining the stream. Appreciate. Hello, Esdras. Esdras de Figueiredo. I know that. I know that. So yeah, let's take a look at the charts. Let's see the state of the market. Let's see. So what do we have? We start with BTC. Yeah, BTC daily. Unfortunately, are you the CFT owner? No, no, I'm not the CFT owner. I've been working with CFT for years. Is that French? Yeah, French, exactly. Yeah, I've been working with CFT for like 2 years now. So that's why you often see me. And I really do like the team. I really do like the platform. Like everything about CFT is good. And yeah, I trust them. We've built solid partnerships, so that's why you often see me. I am from Brazil. Hello in Brazil. I have a friend in Brazil currently. He is Brazilian. He's from Florianopolis, if you know. You're an analyst? I am more a trader than an analyst, but yeah, I do both. I can do both, yep. I've been working in banks before becoming a trader. So obviously I developed analysis skills. How to become you? So my experience has been pretty straightforward. You know, I've been working at the bank for years. I started to work at 18, even before as an intern. I've been an intern at like 16 or 17 years old for a big bank, corporate banking. And then I started to work as a retail banker. Then I started to work with small companies, then corporate companies after that, you know. So obviously I learned a lot about finance before starting to invest and trade. But at the same time, when it was around 2015, 2016, this is when I started to invest a lot, because I started to have some money, you know. And but I start at the very, like, the first level in the bank, and then step by step, you know, I um I climbed the ladder, if we can say it like that. We can say that way. I climbed the ladder, and the more I was growing at the bank, the more I was in front of very wealthy customers, and I always tried to learn from them. And the thing I learned from them is that they became wealthy and rich because of investments and leverage, not because of a salary, of a 9 to 5 salary. Do you have a GF? Yes, man. I have a problem with money management. What would you suggest? Read books, inform yourself, learn as much as you can, and you need to. This should be your main priority. You should focus on that first. You should focus on the money and the risk management. This is the goal as a trader, is not to make money, is to manage the risk. You know why I'm saying that? Because absolutely everyone is able to click buy or click sell, but not everyone is able to manage the risk. So this is why I always say the job of a trader is not to make money. It's not to buy and sell. It's to manage the risk. Always. Always. You can lose. It's fine, because losing is part of the game. You know, there is no single trader not losing money. So you will lose the money. The difference between you, who want to become a professional trader, and a retail that will keep losing and losing and losing, is the ability to manage the risk and to manage your losses. Because keep that in mind. Absolutely everyone on earth is able to click on buy and sell when it's green. Everyone. What's up, kiddo? Hello, mysterious stranger. You good? Do I know you? Because you're mysterious. I mean money outside trading. What do you mean you have issues with money management? I do recommend to read the book, brother. I will send it to you. Give me a sec. You can go on whatever website you want, but I do recommend you that book, brother. It's very good. It's about money management. Yeah, you do know me. So who you who you are? Have you read Trading in the Zone? Yeah, yeah, it's one of the best, but it's more about trading. Nobody's blessed like you, bro. James? What do you mean? Our Light of Kingdom? What do you mean? So yeah, I suggest that book, and you'll see a lot of improvement. If you read and understand the principles, you'll have a lot of improvement. I am WW. WW? Who is WW? White Widow? All right, so yesterday, I have this chart here because yesterday on stream we talked about this scenario. All right, if the support doesn't hold, and here we are. So guys, it's obviously it's really bad because it confirms the distribution pattern that we mentioned weeks ago. Okay, obviously I thought it would hold. This is why I was long. Okay, the goal is not to tell you some you know, BS stuff like, yeah, I was right, I was right, I was right. Yeah, I was right, but I took the L on the long because I thought the support would hold. But we mentioned that scenario, so we're not surprised. Okay, there is nothing surprising here because we did anticipate, we were ready for that scenario. Okay, look, we are going for that imbalance here on the daily, and if we don't bounce here at 80k, then you know what's coming. You know what's coming? We talked about this yesterday during the live on Twitch. Okay, we're gonna retest the previous all-time high. All right, so you have that level and that level. Does the team agree? The doc, James, do you guys agree? So it's going to be very interesting to see the reaction for altcoins. Then unfortunately, guys, yeah, we can have a bounce on that week, but for me, you know, losing the support here, okay, losing that level, I discussed that with the team yesterday. Losing that level means we open the gates for like bearish price action, bearish levels. Like there is nothing bullish about that. If someone tells you, yeah, this is the dip that you have to buy, etc. No, personally, I give you my approach. I'm dumping most of my spots, especially the spot in profit. Okay, and I prefer to buy back higher, but with more conviction, than to try to be a hero and do knife catching. Okay, so for me, buying here is not an option. It's either I buy on some good reaction around the OTE that we had, or I buy on the reclaim. Okay, you understand my point of view? Like, I don't care if I miss 10% move to the upside or 20% move. For me, it's pointless to be an investor targeting 20%, something like, let's say it bounces, it does a bearish retest, and we go lower after that. Then I'm not interested to buy if this happens. But if we do something like this, then I am interested to be a buyer here. All right, because the potential risk reward, the potential upside gain will be this, okay? And for me, it's much better than this, okay? Check the monthly BTC chart. Yeah, sure, man. Sure. Monthly BTC chart. Hello, Chaos. How you doing? Macaon Verde. Hey, boss, Mac Dyson, did you have the opportunity to read my macro analysis shared on CRG? I'd like to have your feedback on it, especially on the yield curve inversion. I can read it live, man, if you agree with it. And on monthly, yeah, so you see that on monthly it would make sense, no? What we discussed. It would make sense. Or we also have that monthly FVG that I like. You see that monthly FVG? And it's all-time high retest. Of course, that's cool, Mike, that you are interested in yield curve stuff. You're improving a lot. All right. So we're gonna have alerts here on the imbalance. Look at the RSI divergence on the monthly. Let me see. Oh man. Oh man. Huge. That's huge. All right, so we're gonna read Dyson analysis. Mac, is it the one? Matrix and James the Great. You guys are both great. Dyson, let me know. Is it the one that you posted as a thread on Twitter? Is it the same? Because you said shared on CRG, but I don't see it on CRG. Or maybe you posted on BTC Macro review 20 of Feb, but I don't think so. It's the same? Okay. because I can't find it on CRG, man. But okay, let's read the thread on X, what you made on X. All right, so guys, Mike Dyson is a talent at CRG. So we're gonna read his macro view. All right, so a bit of reading. Are you guys ready? Yeah, you are. This week kicks off with a new wave of declines in the US markets, dragging the entire crypto ecosystem alongside it too. After hitting my break-even on a final long attempt on BTC, I've decided to take a step back and observe the market's reaction to this new weekly open. I am not an expert and hold no formal qualifications in economics, but I took some time to analyze the key chart and data points that, in my opinion, could influence the market in the upcoming weeks and months. Yeah, there is I cannot see it. Drop me the link in private. DM me on Discord with the link to the post, and I will tell you if it shows. So with the upcoming post, my goal is not to spread FOD, but rather to offer a rational perspective on the macroeconomic situation, something we often lose sight of. I like the introduction. US yields and Fed rates. A yield curve inversion followed by the Fed cutting rates for 5 consecutive months is usually not a good sign for the markets. It's like dating a girl with purple hair, a big red flag. In fact, every US recession in the past 50 years was preceded by a yield curve inversion, and it usually leads the Fed to cutting rates. Yeah, true. If the Fed starts cutting rates, it may not be bullish right away. It could be a warning sign that something is already breaking. Yeah. 7-10 years US bonds. US yields and US bonds are inversely correlated. Yield equals coupon payment, bond price, by the bond price. But I still find it useful to see the bond chart as well because it provides additional context about the market sentiment and capital flow into or out of bonds. A bullish divergence appeared just before we reached a level that hasn't been seen since the 2008 subprime crisis. This psychological level, combined with technical analysis and the signals from my indicators, forces me to remain cautious regarding medium, long-term upward investment in the US market. Alright, so 7-10 years, new Trump tariff, and it started to increase. Okay, with a bull div here. Okay, I got you. What's your game plan for buying the dip? We might go for lower. Yeah, to be honest, waiting for lower. Just gonna read the... Yeah, it's short. DXY, if DXY closed its first quarter above 0.618 level, 106.7, and given the tariff war Trump is starting, I believe 117 is achievable before the end of the year. This is something I might disagree on. I think the target is a bit high. SP 500, since Friday, we've been witnessing the first signs of struggle for the American index. If these early signs turn into larger weeks, I will gladly reload at 5,300 minus 12% from here and 45.50 from here. I do agree with the 5,300. I do agree. And same as the XY, I kind of disagree with a 45.50. I think it's a bit maybe too bearish, but once again, that's good that you have that level and you anticipate any potential scenario, so you're ready to act accordingly. And this is very good, even though I think the target is a bit overextended. But for that one, yeah, I do agree. Completely agree. Let's take a look at the chart. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It makes sense. Makes a lot of sense on monthly chart. Yep. And BTC. So, thanks to my previous analysis on BTC, the game plan was quite clear and remained unchanged from a high time frame perspective. So you're waiting for 60K. Okay, so the monthly order block that we have just here. And yeah, I think this is the worst case scenario target. Conclusion, swing longs should be all closed here. Normal system only allows me to take scalp longs and scalp plus swing shorts. Okay. RSI bearish divergence. Yeah, we saw that one. Good catch. Very good catch. Bands are tightening. Bearish crossing coming. Yeah, that would not be good because all the oscillators would go red. Hello, Barrow. How you doing? I don't know what that means, but I'm scared when you mentioned 2008. You mentioned 2008 just here. Bullish divergence appeared just before we reached a level that hasn't been since the okay. It's just because he's comparing the levels here, you see. Okay, after the crisis, all right. So things obviously got better for the bonds. Obviously for the bonds. You see, Fed buys back housing titles after the financial crash. He's posting everything just here. I will drop you guys the thread so you can also read it again. It's very informative. Appreciate, man. Cool quality stuff being dropped in the Discord. Thank you very much. If we face half the consequences of what happened in 2008, only a handful of tokens will survive. Yeah, most of them will get smashed. Now to answer the question from James, we might go for lower. Now that we lost the range low, okay, so I was saying, and I have no issue saying it again, for me everything was okay. Everything was absolutely okay as long as we held the value area low, so basically the lower, the upper range bound, okay? But now we lost it. We completely lost it, all right? So what I will be looking at is, we're gonna just clean the chart a little bit. If we do something like this, for example, okay, and we have a bearish reaction, then for me, yeah, it would be a short until lower. I don't know if you have got through Sol and Sui, would you mind taking a look? Yeah, we will check, we will check. In your opinion, if BTC is revisiting 73k level, in that case, Link, Edgeball, what price would you expect? I would say, wait, I'm just checking something because I have a... Okay, nothing important. So if we get a bearish retest here, all right, then this can be a swing short opportunity. And obviously the targets will be imbalance here and retest of the 73k level that you mentioned. What time frame are you going to watch the rejection? So this is a daily chart, so I will be looking at H12 and H4 to see if we reject. Now, so if you say we go back to 73, this is 16% down from here. So at the very least, and to be nice, to be kind, I think you can expect 20-25% drop on Link or any other altcoins anyway, any other big caps. Definitely. As I said in the video that I dropped yesterday, in the evening, then losing this support for altcoins would open the gates for bear market levels and prices on many assets. So if you take a look at Link here, so what was the bear market levels? So we had a big sideways, yeah, here you see $7 up to, yeah, $9-10. So if BTC lose 16%, and as I said, you lose 25 something on Link, you see 25, then we would go back, we can potentially go back to around $10. All right, I don't believe we go back to $5-6, okay, because now we have we created interesting levels of support here, around here, you see. So we could go potentially to 10-11. All right, and now we have some logical reaction around here, you see. Not really surprising. Right, you see that was a res, then we had the bullish OB here. If you extend again, it was the starting point of the sell-off here. And if you extend again, wait, all right, you see, it's been an important level for Link. So I'm not surprising if we have some small reaction here, not surprising. But for me, the best level, also because this is a psychological level, $10. What you think? I have a $250 Ethereum dream. As I always said, everything is possible, but yeah, it also might be overextended. It also might be overextended. Ethereum, we're gonna check ETH. Oh, Sol first, okay, because we have Solana here, so we're gonna check Sol first. I didn't expect the level to be tagged that fast, but this is also something we discussed yesterday, 1:30, during the Twitch stream. Okay, why? Because this was our previous range low on Solana, all right? And this is our value area low. You see the dotted line? This is our value area low. So we have the value area low here, and we form that support level here. Okay, so for Sol, the level to keep is that one. You don't want to lose 130. Okay, down to, yeah, maybe 125. We can have a week, okay, let's say a week or around 120, but this is the level not to lose. Okay, you see that? We've been holding that level for so long. Yeah, 120, 130. We've been holding the level for so long. You lose that, things will start to look very, very bad. Okay? And the thing is, we initiated the start of a downtrend. All right, you see we had a high, 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 but here, you see we had the low here. We made the lower low. Then we can also lose that level. All right, we've another lower low here. So if we want to see a reversal, it has to happen from here. The reversal must happen from here. Okay. So if you guys, personally, I'm not gonna do it. I will wait for US session, not taking any trade before. But if you guys are willing to take a trade and you have high convictions, then the blue area is your level on Sol. Okay, definitely the blue area is your level. Ethereum. Okay, so remember, that was also the plan that we had on stream. You see, the arrow was still here. That was too deep inside the daily demand that we have just here. Okay. And this is what happened. Here we go. Now for me, there is no need to rush into anything. You want to wait for the daily close above the level. Okay. This will be the very first level of confirmation. All right. And value area high is here. Okay. But it will highly depend on the news, because we will need good news to reignite the market, because now such sell-off, such weakness is not something that I want to fade. So even though technically this looks, it looks super good, I'm not really sure I want to take the risk to beat again without any green flashing signals, you know. But technically this is also a very good one. Now some people, I have another chart, and some people might have this level here. All right, the 2100. It's possible. Definitely possible. So on this chart, you have the two levels. Okay. See, either we hold this or we fill the wick and we retest 2100. So who knows what will happen? Who knows? We're gonna check if against BTC. I think it got smashed. Yeah, not that much. It didn't get obliterated, you know. Quite surprising then. Quite surprising. BTC dominance, okay. Yeah, we have displacement here. Yeah, careful. We gotta be careful. Sui, someone said Sui. Yeah, we're gonna check the weekly first. Here we are. So Sui on the weekly, I like the level here. It's around $2. Can be interesting. We're gonna try to refine this to have a more accurate entry. Oh, it's crazy how the price stopped right at the OTE. See that? Crazy. So let's see if we can fill the wick. Yeah, that dip was absolutely perfect. Look, we also had the big imbalance here. Pixel perfect field. Crazy. So yeah, let's see if we hold again. The OTE just here. Otherwise, then you know the level, $2. You see here. You have that big demand refined from weekly to daily. And you have yet 180 up to 2.10. Okay. This is what you have on Sui. XO. M15. Now it's not really a price action, but I would like to trade, to be honest. Yeah. We see that level, but for now the price action looks messy. To clean things up. So we had that level here. Okay. Taken. That level led to the high being taken. 0.5, yeah, they got tapped. They got tapped already. Oh, not really. Okay, not really. Yeah, I like this level. And then if it doesn't work, you have also that one aligned with the OTE right here. I like that kind of confluence, especially on gold. Usually it works well. Yeah, here the low has been taken, and we're gonna watch this level for potential rejection. Alert set. Yeah, we're gonna pay attention here. We didn't check S&P. So what is it doing? Okay. So we're going for the level that we mentioned yesterday in the trading plan. It seems. So I was watching two levels, that one for a short. Okay, we have a big supply here. So I thought we could feel the imbalance level and then go back down. Now we just have this. All right, so mark the level, 5900. Any questions regarding this? We're gonna move straight to DXY. So we want to see a continuation of the downtrend on the DXY. Hey, you see, we lost this. All right. So we want to keep the downtrend going. And we're gonna pay attention to the 105 level here. Okay. Euro GPY doesn't want to lose the range though, it seems. A lot of support around here. So BTC, what is BTC doing? We're gonna look at the you see we have very, very low reaction here. Reaction is, yeah, not great at all. Not great. Okay, this is our 0.5 level. Interesting. And you see where the OTE is. OTE is at yeah, it goes to 74, 75k. So we have a lot of confluence. We have a lot of confluence around here. Let's see how it deals with the 0.5. Nice sweep here. But let's see how it deals with OTE. So do you guys have any question regarding the charts? Can you do sand? Oh, interesting. That one's still alive. Oh. January. Okay. That's a very interesting level here. That's a very interesting one. You see that daily demand zone that led to a massive push here. All right. And this was a key level as well just here. So I like the confluence that we see. Okay. Very interesting. We're gonna refine this. Interesting. H12 close in 1 hour. That's nice. As well as the H4. So here, this is, you are inside your daily demand, you see, just here. Now, once again, you don't want to blindly long. It's fine to wait a little bit. Even if you enter higher, it's fine to wait a little bit, you know, to have more confirmation. You can even switch if you want to a lower time frame to see if you can get a shift of the market structure. Okay, something like that, for example. All right, you take the highs, you mark a break of structure, then you have a retest of a demand or an FBG, whatever, and then you go back up. Okay, makes sense. Yep, that's an interesting level where it stopped. The problem is, if it looks good technically, if some weird event wrecks the market again, then yeah, it will be weird. So anything else, guys? Because it's already been 1 hour. Damn, it goes fast. Can I see this? This will be interesting. Oh, AVAX too. But AVAX has almost no reaction. That will be the short, yeah. Yeah, that's the plan. Exactly. Exactly that. Yeah. Same, a lot of level, a lot of tokens have hit their daily levels, you know, daily demands and stuff. None of the coins have reaction. I cannot wait to short Tau to 40. Oh, Tau, interesting. It rejected from the POC. Wait, we had something on Tau. Yeah, it rejected from the POC. All right, you have this target, and that one. Rejected from here. So now as you can see here, 1C reaction around the value area low and the other block that we have around here. Let me clean the chart a bit. All right, no reaction here. If we make a new low, then yeah, we continue the downtrend, the HTF downtrend. Right, we have some liquidity to be taken here. So we'll see if we bounce from that level or if we just print a new low and then continue, you know. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, for now, to be honest, I don't have a lot of convictions regarding what the market is giving us. Very, very low conviction. Maybe say, yeah, say is not that bad. It's surprising. It's really not that bad. A little bit lower would have been appreciated because we have that daily demand. You see right here? Yeah, say holding 24 cents could be very nice. Yeah. Here. Holding well compared to many other tokens. Doge got smashed. Ondo got smashed. CRV got smashed. Oh, XRP. God damn. Whoa. Okay, XRP, we have the $2 level. Guys, if you want to set an alert, just here. $2 look good. It kinda failed its bounce, say Mulo Inc. Yeah, anyway, not really. Like I said, I want lower. I want to see a reaction here. It kinda failed its bounce. Not really. If you compare to some other tokens. You see, this is a fail. This is a fail, man. Ray got smashed with the pump fund news in the market. Yeah, and that's for good. That's a good thing, in my opinion. If the market can heal from all these cringe meme coin, aka trenches mania, for me it's for the good. So alright, it continues to dump. Guys, it's already been an hour. So it will be time for lunch. I will close the stream now, and I will be live again this afternoon for the US session on Twitch. Okay, it will be a public stream. So be there. I count on you. I count on you guys, and we'll watch the US session this afternoon. We'll see the reaction from Wall Street and how they deal with it. Okay, obviously don't forget to watch at S&P to see what it's doing. Okay, fellas. So thank you very much for the support. Thank you for attending the stream. It was very cool. I wish you a bon appetit, good lunch, and see you this afternoon on the Twitch channel. All right, everyone. So take care, stay safe, don't knife catch, don't get hurt. I know the market is hard, but we gonna make it all together. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. See you later. Peace.